back to my channel. We are still on the relocation things, yeah. Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you some kitchen essentials that I'll be taking along with me to the UK. Guys, there are some kitchen essentials that I ordered from China that I cannot leave behind. Why? I was like, no, I cannot leave these things behind because they are too essential. So they move and they go. So guys, I'm going to be showing you one after the other. Okay, let's get right into the video. Yes, so I'm taking my non-stick pots to the UK, guys. But I'm not taking the 3. I'm taking just 2. Okay, so I'm taking just this and this. Guys, I cannot leave these things behind now. What do you think? If I leave them here, what are they going to be doing here? I say I go push her inside the Ghana must go. Carry and go, you know. So I'm taking this one and this one. This one is number 1. I can't wait to show you the number 2 on my list. Here comes number 2. My blender where they crush anything. Ooh, so I'm taking my blender. I'm taking it to the UK. Actually, I was supposed to buy a new one so that I'll give this one to my mom, but I forgot. Like, I don't know how come it escaped my mind, and they don't even get light for village, so I'll buy another one later. So this blender, I ordered it in year 2020. Yes, this is the first ones they produced that time. I'll show it to you. You see the manufactured year. Look at the manufactured year. Can you see it, guys? 2020. See it here? Year 2020. So that was when I ordered it, and it has been serving me like, and I can't leave it behind, guys. I am taking it. So let's move on to number 3. Ta-na-na! Number 3, guys. So this one is knife sharpener. I ordered it this year. I showed it in one of my unboxing videos. And guess what, guys? I'm going to give a gift to anyone who is able to like tell me the year or the month that I unboxed some of the products I'm showing. So if you're able to tell me anyone at all, I'm going to give you the gift. I'm going to give you free mentorship for 1 month. Okay, so just be dropping comments. If like this knife sharpener now, if you know when I unboxed it, you know the particular video that I unboxed it, just drop it in the comment section. And then I'm taking my rechargeable mixer, guys. This is the rechargeable mixer because I make akara a lot. This is what I use to mix my akara. Can you see that? So it has another one. It has a bigger one. This is another one. So I'm taking this one to the UK. Okay, so let's move on to number 4. Here comes number 4, guys. Oh my god. So this is a vegetable chopper. This is a vegetable chopper. I ordered it. See, look at it. I ordered it, I think, in year 2021 or 2022. So this is how it has all the accessories. So I use it to chop carrot, chop, you know, maybe I want to fry plantain chips, any other chips, potato chips, like that. So I can't leave this behind. I am taking it with me, guys. I am taking it with me. Oh. I've not used this one since I bought it. So I've not used it, but maybe when I get there, I'll use it. Yeah, what number are we, guys? I'm going with my non-stick spoon set, guys. My silicone spoon for non-stick pots. I cannot go to the UK with my non-stick pots and now leave the silicone spoons behind now. It's not possible now. They carry all of them, they go with the carton like this. Yes, that's how I package it. I will package it and move it and move it with me. Okay, so when I'm frying chicken, yeah, this one, guys, this one is potato chipper. Potato chipper. I also ordered it from UK this year, but I'm contemplating whether I should carry this one or not, since I'm already taking the other one. This one is stronger. You know, this one is stronger, but I'm contemplating. Shall decide on that later. So last but not the least is popsicle maker, popsicle maker, popsicle maker. So this one I ordered them from UK. I ordered them from China for my kids this year. So I've used it to make popsicle a couple of times for them. Then, okay, these ones are the cover. To cover the popsicle, there are two. The other one is over there. So these are the sticks, popsicle sticks. So guys, I'm taking these things to the UK. So these are the essentials, the kitchen essentials that I ordered from China that I'm taking from my Nigerian kitchen to UK. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And if you like any of the products shown in the video and you would love to have any of them, you can drop it in the comment section. Send me a DM on social media, and that is Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. And I'm going to help you to order them from China. Okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.